What's up, lane splitters? Welcome back. In the last video we got the bike running, so today we're going to be removing everything and prep for paint.
Say hello to my little friend!
I just bought this cabinet from Facebook for 15 bucks. The reason is because I want to organize my tools a little bit more. So it came like this, super dirty. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean all this up right here, clear it up, and then organize and label everything. Because you know what they say, a clean garage is a productive garage. Just got everything out. Look how nasty this thing is. Well, for $15, nothing brake cleaner can't fix. First things first, we're gonna scrape all this shit off.
A few moments later.
So I just finished cleaning up the inside, scraping off the oil stain and all the nasty stuff. So now we're gonna be working on the shelves. For the shelves, what I'm thinking is I'm gonna lay a layer of carpet on top so it's nice and clean. Got this rug at Home Depot for 20 bucks and it's made in America. So the product that I'm using for the rug is this 3M adhesive spray. So I'm gonna spray over it so it gets sticky and then put the rug on top. Alright, just finished putting everything in. Nice and clean. The real reason I got the cabinet to collect stickers. So you got cool stickers, send them my way. Put the rag on there. Put my Coke sign there.